fail. Fail again. This is actually a very hard trick. I just made it up. It's like a latch drop, but an aerial also. So the tutorial is just kind of like from a latch drop. When you're about like right here, just let it go. So you catch it like this and close. Let's see if I can land this finally. There it was. There's again. See what I mean? Very hard, especially with a very tight knife, like not what I'm using, but if you have one. That's all. I'm hoping to get another video up in a week or two. No reason they're all why in a week, but I'm actually starting to like balisong for some reason. It's pretty fun. And this is a very fun trick, the Y2K. If I can land it. There's a lot of tutorials for that. Then, an aerial. And Schrader blade hurt me. Okay, that's all. Thank you, goodbye.